world is loud, telling you who to be and how to feel. But here, the noise fades. No mask, no filter. Breathe. The king is here, and he wants the real you. I try to silence all the voices in my head, but they keep repeating everything I said. I'm running to the closet, locking up the door. I can't play this game with culture anymore. I trade the noise for your voice. I trade the chaos for your peace. Here in the secret, I am finally found. My anxiety is bowing to the ground. You heal the mind, you heal the soul. You take the broken and you make it whole. No more pretending that I have it all together. I need an anchor in the stormy weather. Your whisper is louder than the thunder's roll. You are the lover of my weary soul. I trade the noise for your voice. I trade the chaos for your peace. Here in the secret, I am finally found. My anxiety is bowing to the ground. Sanity returns. Clarity. The lies are breaking off. Your truth is taking over. Speak, Lord, your servant is listening. Speak, Lord, your servant is listening. Stay closer. Speak, Lord, your servant is listening. Speak, Lord, your servant is listening. I feel dry, I feel drained, walking through the desert stain. But there is a fountain springing up, ready to fill my empty cup. I don't need a beg, I don't need a plea. You have the water that I need. Let the river flow, let the river run. Healing has begun, healing has begun. Wash away the dirt, wash away the shame. There is power in your name. I'm jumping in the water now. thinks I am great. I'm not a leader, I'm not a star. I'm just a child coming to where you are. I don't have a speech prepared to say. I just wanna be with you today. This is me without the show. This is the only version that you know. Naked and poor, but rich in your love. I'm catching the mercy falling from above. I don't have to perform, I'm safe inside the storm. Fancy words, no religious act, just a covenant based on a blood-sealed pact. This is me without the show. This is the only version that you know. Naked and poor, but rich in your love. I'm catching the mercy falling from above. You like me, you really like me. You love me, you really like me. You like me, you really love me. You love me, you really love me. Just me, just you. 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 The door is shut, the curtains drawn. I'll stay right here until the dawn. The atmosphere is changing now. My knees are shaking as I bow. I'm stepping on the holy ground, where majesty and grace are found. Take me deeper, take me in, where the seraphim begin to cry, holy, holy Lord. I am pierced by your word. In the secret place I see the King of all eternity. I don't wanna leave this sacred space to look at any other face. Burn the distractions with your fire. You are my one and true. singing, worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb, forever and ever. Worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb, forever and ever. We just wanna be where you are. There is no better place. Better is one day in your courts. Show us your glory deeper. Take me deeper. Take me in. God, are you listening? 'Cause I'm mad, this is the hardest week I've had. I'm not gonna sugarcoat the pain. I'm not gonna say it's sunshine in the rain. I'm frustrated, I'm tired, I'm worn. I feel like my spirit is ripped and torn. But you said come as you are. You said don't hide the scar. This is my unfiltered cry. I'm looking straight into your eyes. I lay my anger at your feet, and suddenly it turns to sweet. You handle my rage, you handle my grief. In your presence I find relief. You're not afraid of my honesty. You embrace the mess inside of me. You don't want a robot, you want a friend. You promise to stay until the end. So here are the pieces, jagged and sharp. the floor with all my silent tears. They say that time will heal the deepest wound, but I need you to walk into this room. I'm tired of band-aids on a broken heart. I need a brand new start. Open me up, heal me inside. There is no corner where the pain can hide. You are the surgeon, you have the cure. Your hands are steady, your love is pure. Do what you have to do. I just wanna be like you. It's gonna hurt to let the trauma go, but you are safe, and this I surely know. The scar remains to tell a story of grace, of how I met the Savior face to face. Open me up, heal me inside. There is no corner where the pain can hide. You are the surgeon, you have the cure. Your hands are steady, your love is pure. Do what you have to do. I just wanna be like you. I trust your hands, I trust your heart. Repair the breach, restore the pit. I trust your hands, I trust your heart. Repair the breach, restore the part. I am healed, I am healed. The arrows fly by day, the terror comes by night. I'm running out of strength, I'm running out of fight. The world is shaking hard, the ground is splitting wide. I need a place to go, I need a place to hide. I'm knocking on your door with dust upon my face. I'm desperate for the shelter of your grace. You are my hiding place, you are my shield, the only safety in this battlefield. Under your shadow I can finally breathe. You are the cover that will never leave. I lock the door and leave the fear behind. In you, my hiding place, my peace I find. A thousand may fall down right here by my side, but I am covered by holy ground. My life is hid in Christ, seated in the high above. The reach of every enemy lies. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. No weapon formed against me shall stand. Strong tower, the righteous run into it and they are safe. We are safe in you. You are my hiding place, you are my shield, the only safety in this battlefield. Under your shadow fear behind. In you, my hiding place, my peace I find. The world, The world is loud, telling you who to be and how to feel. But here the noise fades, no mask, no filter. Breathe. The King is here, and he wants the real you. Tried to silence all the voices in my head, but they keep repeating everything I said. I'm running to the closet, locking up the door. I can't play this game with culture anymore. For your voice, I trade the chaos for your peace. Here in the secret, I am finally found. My anxiety is bowing to the ground. You heal the mind, you heal the soul. You thinks I am great. I'm not a leader, I'm not a star. I'm just a child coming to where you are. I don't have a speech prepared to say. I just wanna be with you today. This is me without the show. This is the only version that you know. Naked and poor, but rich in your love. I'm catching the mercy falling from above. I don't have to perform, I'm safe inside the storm. Fancy words, no religious act, just a covenant based on a blood-sealed pact. This is me without the show. This is the only version that you know. Naked and poor, but rich in your love. I'm catching the mercy falling from above. You like me, you really like me. You love me, you really like me. You like me, you really love me. You love me, you really love me. Just me, just you. 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 The door is shut, the curtain's drawn. I'll stay right here until the dawn. The atmosphere's changing now. My knees are shaking as I bow. I'm stepping on the holy ground, where majesty and grace are found. Take me deeper, take me in, where the seraphim begin to cry, holy, holy Lord. I am pierced by your word. In the secret place I see the King of all eternity. Space to look at any other face. Burn the distractions with your fire. You are my one and true desire. the world will know where I have been, because I've seen the King of Men. I can see the smoke filling up the temple. I can feel the weight resting on my shoulders. I can hear the sound of heaven singing, worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb, worthy is the Lamb, forever and ever. Take me in. Take me deeper, take me in, where the seraphim begin to cry, holy, holy Lord. I am pierced by your word. I feel dry, I feel drained, walking through the desert stained, but there is a fountain springing up, ready to fill my empty cup. I don't need to beg, I don't need to plead. You have the water that I need. Let the river flow, let the river run. Healing has begun, healing has begun. Wash away the dirt, wash away the shame. There is power in your name. I'm jumping in the water now. I'm jumping in the water now. It's rising higher, up to my knees. It's bringing healing, it's bringing peace. Current of grace, sweep me away. I'm being renewed day by day. It's not a trickle, it's a flood. I'm washed by the water and the blood. Let the river flow. 'cause I'm mad. This is the hardest week I've had. I'm not gonna sugarcoat the pain. I'm not gonna say it's sunshine in the rain. I'm frustrated, I'm tired, I'm worn. I feel like my spirit is ripped and torn. But you said come as you are. You said don't hide the scar. This is my unfiltered cry. I'm looking straight into your eye. I lay my anger at your feet, and suddenly it turns to sweet. You handle my rage, you handle my grief. In your presence I find relief. You're not afraid of my honesty. You embrace the mess inside of me. You don't want a robot, you want a friend. You promise to stay until the end. So here are the pieces, jagged and sharp. Play your song on the strings of my heart. This is my unfiltered cry. I'm looking straight into your eye. I lay my anger at your feet, and suddenly it turns to sweet. You love the real me. You love the broken me. You love the honest me. You set the captive free. You love the real me. You love the broken me. You love the honest me. You set the captive free. I'm trading my mourning for dancing. I'm trading my sorrow for joy. You took the heavy garment off. You put the robe of praises on. You took the heavy garment off. You put the robe of praises on. The anger is gone. The storm has passed. I found a peace that is going to last. Thank you for listening to my fight. Thank you for staying through the night. This was my unfiltered cry. Now I look into your eye. I laid my anger at your feet, and your love is so, so sweet. No filters, just grace. Just grace. The arrows fly by day, the terror comes by night. I'm running out of strength, I'm running out of fight. The world is shaking hard, the ground is splitting wide. I need a place to go, I need a place to hide. rest upon my face. I'm desperate for the shelter of your grace. You are my hiding place, you are my shield, the only safety in this battlefield. Under your shadow I can finally breathe. You are the cover that will never leave. I lock the door and leave the fear behind in you. My hiding place, my peace I find. A thousand may fall down right here by my side, but I am covered by the blood of Christ, the crucified. The storm is raging on, but I am dry and warm. You hold me in the eye of every storm. I'm not afraid of what the darkness brings, because I'm resting underneath your wings. You are my hiding place, you are my shield, the only safety in this battlefield. Under your shadow I can finally breathe. You are the cover that will never leave. I lock the door and leave the fear behind in you. My hiding place, my peace I find. They look for me, but I cannot be found, because I'm hidden on this holy ground. My life is hid in Christ, seated in the high, above the reach of every enemy lie. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. No weapon formed against me shall stand. I am protected by the Father. I am held safely in His hand. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. No weapon formed against me shall stand. I am protected by the Father. I am held safely in His hand. You are the fortress, you are the strong tower. The righteous run into it and they are safe. We are safe.